angel fairies? I hope you guys are having an amazing, gorgeous, abundant day. In today's video, we're going to be learning about where beginners should start on their path to spirituality. You guys have always asked me this question, so I'm just going to finally do a whole video of the topics that you guys need to know or should start researching on your path. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that post notification button so you won't miss a video from me. And also comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me. Let's finally get into the video. Y'all remember when I said I was gonna leave my hair out for 2 weeks? I don't know who told y'all that, but it wasn't me, okay? I don't have the patience. I don't even know why I said that. I don't even know why that came out of my mouth. Pretty sure one of my ancestors possessed me. Don't do that again. But anyway, so like I said, we're going to be learning about where beginners should start in spirituality. And the first thing I do want to talk about is trusting your intuition. Now, for me, I didn't ask anyone where to start because I was just really interested in certain topics such as manifestation. So I was really interested in the law of attraction and really creating the life I desire. And what stemmed me, or like what set me off to my path to spirituality, was me just wanting a change, me wanting to like really change who I was as a person, like get over shit, like learn new ways. I was ready to be better, do better, all that good shit. And I was like, wait, I can create my desired reality by just asking for it and just believing I can. I was like, let me get on this. And then after I started manifestation, I had to work on my limiting beliefs and healing from trauma. So it really just kind of rocket started me on my path to healing, shadow work, divination, my ancestors, all that good shit. So one thing I really do want you guys to, if you can, is start with stuff that interests you. Don't try to practice it depending on what it is. Like if you're interested in connecting with gods like the Orishas or like Greek gods and stuff, don't practice it. Don't try to connect. Don't call on them, okay? Because you're a beginner. Don't even. But you can research it. You can gain knowledge about it. So yeah. But if you just clueless as to where to start, I got you. So the first thing I really want you guys to work on is meditation. Now with meditation, it can really help you find inner peace, calm your nerves, help with anxiety, help you really stay present in the moment and all that good shit. If you guys would like a video on meditation, the link will be up there to do so. But yeah, one of the practices I started doing, which kind of went hand in hand with law of attraction when I was learning, was meditation. I learned about my chakras and all that good stuff, how to really find inner peace, how to just really empty my head and my thoughts and just allow space for everything in my mind to just be. And it's really a wonderful practice. Highly recommend you guys learn it. And remember where that practice came from, which is Hinduism. Make sure to research that. I'm in the process of reading the Sanskrit text because, not gonna lie, when I first started out, I kind of got the Western view of chakras. So I'm definitely gonna start learning even more about Hinduism and all that good shit, because I already know most of these practices, or some of these practices I'm doing, come from there. So you always gotta go back to who they originally came from, not white people, not them. So you can get the authentic version, so you know what the fuck you're doing. Hello? Good. Oh, by the way, don't ask me for books. And this is just me being nice. I didn't read a lot of books when I was starting on my journey. I just went online and just researched the topics. However, now I have a couple of books that I like. I'm going to put it down below, and it's not like for everybody. It's for those who want to practice root work and hoodoo. I'm gonna put those books that I'm really reading right now down below. I love them. They're freaking awesome. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about hoodoo and about like ATR and how our ancestors, African Americans on this soil, really worked the land in tandem with Native Americans to figure out how to live here, how to be saved, how to be loved, how to really restore and like preserve our practices, how to heal ourselves whenever we are sick. Like we are some powerful ass people, and really getting back with our roots, connecting with our roots is something we need to do right now. And I know a lot of Black people are doing so, and I'm just so happy. So yeah, these are the books I'm reading right now. Link down below. Hope you guys enjoy it. But another one you guys should start out with is connecting with your ancestors or connecting with your gods. Now, if you're a root worker or you're starting to learn about hoodoo and root work, the first thing you ever want to do, period, point blank, is reach out to your bloodline, reach out to any ancestors that may want to come help you, guide you down your path. You want to do ancestor veneration first before working with the orishas, working with any other spirits. You work with your ancestors, you work with your guides, you see where they want you led or where you should go, because that's where you want to go first. That's where you want to really connect to the divine first before you start connecting with the orishas or they start contacting you. Normally they will contact you. But yeah, and for those who don't practice root work or hoodoo, connect with their guides first. I have a couple of videos up here from my root workers and hoodoo practitioners who want to start. I have one with connecting for your ancestors up there for you guys, and then I have another one with connected with your spirit guides in general as well. So hope those videos help. And by the way, don't be afraid to contact them. I mean, for my white people who watch this, you're gonna have to ask them ancestors who were doing some shitty shit to our people why the fuck they were doing it. You can't really get away from that, okay? Like, it's in your bloodline. You're gonna have to heal that. You're gonna have to work with your ancestors to heal your bloodline, because y'all caused a lot of pain, y'all caused a lot of suffering, and you're just ignoring that to really connect with ancestors who you think didn't do that. That's not cool. So you remember to connect with them racist ass ancestors, okay? And heal that bullshit that they did. Okay? Get with it. I'm gonna put a little link down below so you guys can really get to it, but you can't bypass that. That's your history. So don't even. Especially on American Soul. Don't even try. Anyway, and I don't want to hear no bullshit. I don't want to hear no crying in my comments, because if you about to cry, you better go somewhere else, because you're gonna get blocked. And I'm just keeping it real. Anyway, next thing. Another thing you want to do is shadow work. I have a video of shadow work up there, but shadow work essentially is really giving space to your emotions and really connecting with your side that everybody deem as your dark side, giving that side space to speak, to be voiced, to be loved, to be heard. That is what shadow work is, and it really helps you with healing your trauma, with expressing your emotions, good or bad. Like, it's just a really great practice to do, because it holds you accountable for things that may have happened in your life and helps you learn how to express those emotions that a lot of us keep buried down. So I'm going to put a video up there that goes a little bit more in depth about shadow work, but I highly recommend doing shadow work, okay? Because going down this path, really connecting and starting to heal and like learn about your shadow side is just key. Like, we can't ignore that part of ourselves, because that part of ourselves deserves to be heard, to be loved. And to bring that out, we gotta do shadow work. And it may be about anything. It could be about you, not winning a certain prize, and these emotions of regret and pain and anger and jealousy come up, and you want to go to your altar and just really talk about it. Do that as well. Or if you're happy and really grateful about something that you have received, like a great paycheck came in, you can do shadow work with that. And you know what that means? That means bringing up emotions that you would normally never express, and it give them safe space to be. So if you never expressed gratitude before because it was kind of weird for you, or it was awkward or uncomfortable, you will use shadow work to bring up those emotions so you can feel gratitude to its fullest possible power. Okay? Shadow work is not just for the bad, it's for the good as well. So another one you guys should really start learning about is the law of attraction, manifestation, really knowing that you can create your desired reality. I have a video of that up as well. It's gonna be up there, but though that was really one of the practices that I implemented that kind of jumpstart me on my spiritual path, knowing that I could create my desired reality if I just asked my ancestors in the universe, and then I worked in tandem with them to create it. It's pretty freaking awesome, knowing that you can attract anything to you, just if only you can attract anything to you if you're on that vibrational state. I love it. So yeah, make sure to learn about that as well, especially if you want to learn about attracting things that are the same vibe as you, and also kind of learning that you can put out a vibe that can attract things to you unknowingly, like it's not your fault that you attracted these things. And I think I'm going to make a video about that, about how people say that you attract these bad things into your life knowingly, and I don't think that's true. I should make a video about that. Let me know if I should make a video about how people say that you can attract everything bad in your life, and I'll see if I can explain it a little better for you guys. But yeah, learn about law of attraction and manifestation. They are awesome. I love it. Love it to death. Another thing you want to learn about is protection and cleansing. Now that is key, baby. That is key. One thing I don't play about is my protection and my cleansing. Cleansing and protecting yourself is super easy, especially the cleansing part. I'm going to put a video up there about the cleansing. But what you want to do is make sure you cleanse off any energy of the day that you may have accumulated when you walked out of your house and brought it into your house. You want to clean your space for any evil entities, evil vibrations, any emotions that people send to you, like jealousy, anger, pain, like hexes. Like you want to know the tools in order to protect yourself and cleanse yourself. So that video up there is going to tell you guys how you can do those things, because that is kind of essential down this path, especially if you start learning about energy. Remember to know about that too. Learn about energy and energy exchanges and what type of energies exist, because there are people in this world that don't want to see you do great. There are people who just unknowingly have negative energy, and what you want to do is make sure you cleanse yourself so it won't stay on your spirit. So you're acting, when you feel like you're acting weird, maybe that is not your energy. Maybe that's somebody, you picked it up when you went outside. Or if you're feeling really ill, it's nothing to do with any sickness in your body. Probably somebody sent you some evil eye. Probably you cultivated some energy outside of your home, and then you brought it in and you forgot to cleanse yourself. Just make sure you cleanse and protect yourself. And especially with protection, if you want to do divination with your ancestors, spells, connecting with other spirits and all that good shit, you want to know what protection spells you need to do in order to really not have entities that you don't want in your place in them. So yeah, protection and cleansing, definitely key. Another thing you should learn about is divination and how many ways you can do it. Now, divination is basically connecting with the divine through certain tools, or just connecting with the divine through yourself. So divination can happen in numerous ways. Meditation, you just speaking out loud to your ancestors and going to your altar and praying, and using tarot readings, using runes, even though I don't use that because I'm pretty sure it's not for me. You can do your dreams, because dreams is one way to do divination. What else? Looking at water. Like it's numerous ways you can do divination to know if certain things in your life is going well, or just to know more things beyond the human experience. So I highly recommend you learn about how many types of divination types there are and what you resonate with, and then start researching whatever divination practices that you really like. So yeah. Another one I think you guys really should learn is about journaling and positive affirmations. I'm going to put a couple of videos up there on it. And journaling pretty much saved me. I will say that. Journaling and positive affirmations really helped me become the person I was today, because with journaling, I was able to express my emotions. And when I wasn't ready to express it verbally, if you're not ready to express your emotions verbally, journaling is your best bet, because you're writing it down. You don't have to say it out loud, yet you're still releasing those emotions on your spirit. I really love journaling for that, because you can do positive affirmations to help you become a certain person and to believe that you're a divine being who deserves love. Like, journaling and positive affirmations just kiss, and it really helps with manifestation as well. So highly recommend you guys research journaling and get you a book dedicated to it, or like a journal dedicated to it, because it's so awesome. Because the journals be super cute. I love collecting me a good notebook. And then the last thing I want you guys to do is research any cultural practices in your culture. What that means is, for me, I'm Black, and a lot of Black people really is hooked on Christianity, because that's what we were assimilated into. That was forced upon us. We didn't know that we had our own shit. Hello? Okay, so when I learned that hoodoo was a thing, that voodoo was a thing, even though I'm not gonna partake in voodoo because I know that's a closed practice. But when I know that hoodoo was a thing and ATR was a fucking thing, do you understand how happy I was? How freeing I felt, that this mystical energy that I had in my being, this all knowing that it was something else out there for me and not Christianity or Jehovah's Witness, because I was not resonating with it. Knowing that I had a culture, a practice that consists of magic, that consists of connecting with the earth, that consists with connecting with your ancestors and connecting with the divine and the universe. I was like, hell yeah, bitch. I was just so happy. Y'all don't even understand. Like, at the time I found out about hoodoo and realized that people actually practice it, I was being a witch. I was just dabbling in witchcraft because I didn't know that I had my own shit. Like I didn't know. So when I found that out, I was like, yeah, that's lit. That's fucking fun. So I highly recommend you guys research any practices that may be in your culture, because I know a lot of people of color have, Black people and people of color have cultural practices that are not Christianity and that you may actually resonate with. So I highly recommend look into your cultures. Oh, and I also want to let you guys know that I am no longer a witch. And honestly, it's been like that for a while. I just didn't want to give up that label because my ancestors finally want me to walk my path of just hoodoo, root work, ATR. So you guys can't call me a witch anymore, even though I don't mind calling a witch. It's just I don't resonate with that label anymore. What I resonate with is being a root worker and a spiritual practitioner. So yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that as well. Like, see, when you walk down your path and you continue to dabble in certain things that you know you can dabble in, no cultural appropriation is accepted in this house. Don't play with me. But if you just really walk your path, you're gonna know exactly where you need to be, because your ancestors are going to guide you down your path. The universe is gonna guide you down your path. Your gods, they're gonna guide you down your path. So yeah, that's where I am at right now. And hopefully you guys are gonna figure out exactly where you need to be, however many years it takes. For me, it took me 4, 5, because now it's 2021. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. I hope this kind of helped you guys get started on your path to spirituality. I wish I could go a little bit more in depth, but I'm just gonna give you guys the topics you guys should research first. Let me know down below what you as a beginner want to research first, and it can be anything, even not the stuff in this video. Like if you want to research the Orishas first, just let me know down below. It's okay to let me know, like, what interests you down this path. Let me know down below. I would love to freaking see. I know for me, I definitely want to get into mythology. You know what's funny? I love mythology. I love Greek gods, but I don't want to work with them, and I love that. Love that for me. I thought when I became a witch that I was gonna want to work with the Greek gods, but I felt no type of connection. I felt nothing. So if I don't tell you something, I don't know. But yeah, make sure to stop by my shop if you want to see Black women as supernatural ethereal beings. Make sure to have a beautiful, gorgeous, and abundant day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, my loves.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go.